Hi everybody, this is the second video in a series. Hopefully you just watched a video about graphing a line in slope-intercept form. The next one is going to be about graphing a line in point-slope form. And this is probably pretty unfamiliar to you, so make sure you pay careful attention. Okay, so we've always thought about starting a graph somewhere on the y-axis and using the slope from there to plot some new points. Now you don't have to start on the y-axis. It would be the exact same thing to plot points starting at a random place and use the same slope. You could get the same type of line. So we're going to learn about that type of graph today. Okay, so in point-slope form, there's going to be a set of parentheses that let you know that you're in point-slope form. There'll always be a number connected to x inside these parentheses, either by addition or subtraction. And there is usually a number after the parentheses. The information that these give you is 1, the slope. So the first part of the equation is going to be the slope. The number inside the parentheses is going to give you the opposite of an x-coordinate. And the number outside the parentheses is going to give you a y-coordinate. At first this seems pretty confusing, but it's actually pretty simple once you get used to it. So in this particular equation, -2 is going to give me the slope. If I were to distribute this, which you don't have to do, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, that number would become the coefficient of x, which always tells us our slope. So our slope right now is down 2, right 1. Now, to find the point, I remember that this -3 gives me the opposite of an x-coordinate. So I'm going to write down +3. And the -5 gives me my y-coordinate. So altogether, that's going to make a point at +3, -5. Now, from there, I'm just going to follow my slope. So I'm going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. If I run out of space and I want to extend my line, I can go up 2, back 1 from any point. And when I've got that, I just use my ruler and I draw a line through those points. And there we go. There is a line. So go ahead and pause the video and try this one. There's something relatively tricky about what's going on in front, but I don't want to spoil the surprise. All right. I usually start by plotting the point. And the point for this one is -2, -4. Remember that what we see inside the parentheses is actually the opposite of the x-coordinate. So that's why even though I see a +2, my point has an x-coordinate of -2. So that point is right here at -2, -4. Now I don't see a slope, which means that my slope is going to be 1. When I look at x, I have 1 x there. So if I had to put a number in front of x, it would be 1. This means up 1, right 1. So all my new points are going to be found by starting at my first point and going up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. And my line is going to look like this. So make sure you use your ruler and take that line all the way across the page. And there you have it. All right, thanks for watching.